I hope you practiced on our previous lesson because now we're going to learn the Y sound. The way we're going to learn this sound is going to be similar to the way we learned the W sound. So here's how to do it. First, say the E sound. E. You can say it with a slight gap between your teeth or completely clenched. E, E. When your mouth is in the E position, hold it and transition to any vowel sound. If a word has the E sound, like yes, say the E sound first, then connect it with the E. Yeah. Yeah. Then, when you're comfortable, just start with the E position and say yes. Yes. You got it? Now let's practice. Repeat after me. You. 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 Young. 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 Yell. 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 Year. 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 Yawn. 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 You can also use this sound with some spellings of words with the letter U. When the U is in the beginning, but not for the prefix un, like the word ungrateful. So here are some words. Unit. Unit. Use. Use. Usual. Usual. University. University. Some consonants spelled with the letter U can also make the Y sound. For example, menu. Menu. Cute. Cute. Huge. Huge. Music. Music. Human. Human. Future. Future. Confuse. Confuse. Computer. Computer. Ambulance. 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 Great job. High five. There's a lot to review and to practice on, especially when it comes to the spelling of this sound. But the more you practice, the better you become. And on that note, on to the next video.